Basically, this is the manufacturing pavilion in which we promote manufacturing for our community also and for other community members also. And we have divided the whole pavilion in 5 sections. First, we say why manufacturing is important. So we have integrated a cultural content in this, that our ancestors have also done this before and they have profited by it. And the sole purpose of manufacturing is our leader, Dawood Ibrahim leader, you would know Sayyid Namfal Saifuddin.
Yeah.
He says that the core benefit of the manufacturing is what? That manufacturing benefits the whole world at larger number. Manufacturing is the art of converting raw materials into finished products. And now we'll move towards the comparison between the trading and manufacturing. So we are focusing on that the manufacturer has the upper hand always on the trader. So I will give one example that a trader, he has a limited control over his product, and the manufacturer, he has very much control over his product. So one says that this product is not benefiting or it's defected or something else. So the trader would not do anything because he is not the creator of that product. But the manufacturing would definitely do some changes and work out on it and will benefit the people they are taking the products. In what trading we benefit the small number of people, but in manufacturing we benefit the most of the people we can, right? Then we are saying that manufacturing cannot be done on large scale only. It can be done on small scale also, medium scale also, and then if one wants, they can move to large scale. Then again we come here that how. Just what we started, why, then what, and now we come to how. So we have created a step-by-step guide for those who wants to operate in manufacturing side. Like first point is creating niche gaps in the market. Define what the gap is, and then create that product. Then market identification. Third is machinery, buying machinery, and fourth, product category. What product I would want to sell to the customers I have identified. Okay.